Plaque and tartar are the worst enemies of your oral health. They are the main cause behind yellow teeth and bad breath, as bacteria release acids that attack your tooth enamel. When you don't remove dental plaque and tartar from your teeth, it becomes rough and leads to gum disease. Not to mention that it's pretty unpleasant to look at when you open your mouth. There is an effective home remedy created by natural ingredients that you can easily find in your house to remove dental plaque and tartar from your teeth quickly, and it only takes 2 minutes to do it. Make it right now and get a shiny, bright smile like a diamond. Before starting the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive exciting health videos like this every day. Now, to prepare the recipe in this video, firstly, you need to prepare baking soda. Baking soda produces an antibacterial effect that prevents the bacteria from getting into the mouth and forming plaque and tartar. It restores the pH balance in the mouth and soothes your teeth and gum. It not only removes plaque and tartar, but also whitening your teeth. This recipe needs 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Add them in a bowl. Next, mix the baking soda with your toothpaste. You need to take a double amount of toothpaste of your amount every day. Add it into the bowl of baking soda and mix well. Then combine everything with coconut oil. Coconut oil will absorb dirt in your mouth and has an antibacterial effect against harmful microorganisms living there. Therefore, it will reduce plaque buildup while preventing tooth decay and gum disease. You will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for this mixture. The next ingredient is lime or lemon. Adding this fruit will support baking soda and coconut oil in dissolving and removing dental plaque and tartar because they have acidic property. Besides, using lime juice will bring you fresh breath. You only need to add 10 drops of lime juice is enough to get all its benefit above. You will see how the mixture in the bowl reacts to the acidity of the lime juice and creates a foam. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar will remove plaque and stain your teeth while whitening your teeth. Use a spoon and stir all ingredients well until they are completely mixed with each other. Your mixture is ready. To remove plaque and tartar from teeth quickly, use it following these steps. Firstly, take your aluminum foil and cut it according to the size and length of your teeth. The foil must be able to fully grab the rows of your teeth. Next, add a part of your mixture into the aluminum foil and fold it. Then wrap the foil around your lower teeth and upper teeth. Leave it on for 2 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. For the remaining mixture, add them to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as normally and then rinse with water. Just apply this home remedy twice a week at most. Don't forget to use it regularly to get the best results.